Welcome to another episode of our podcast, where we delve into the exciting, yet sometimes turbulent world of cryptocurrency. If you're holding Solana, you might be feeling a bit anxious or even overwhelmed after witnessing the recent market swings. Now, Solana, as many of you may know, is renowned for its impressive speed and low transaction fees, which have propelled it into the spotlight. However, recent events have seen its price drop from about $175 to around $160, marking a significant decline of over 9% in just a single day. All the while, the broader cryptocurrency market remains somewhat stable. So, what exactly is fueling this downturn? Let's take a closer look. First off, we need to consider the dramatic drop in network activity on Solana. Active addresses on the network have plummeted from a staggering 18.5 million in November to just 8.4 million today. That's a decline of over 50%. This sharp decrease is accompanied by a drastic fall in transaction volume as well, which has dwindled from $2 billion to only $26 million. These numbers aren't just statistics. They signal a reduced interest and utility in the network. And why does that matter? Well, utility is crucial for the sustainability of any blockchain network. When fewer people are using the platform, it raises concerns about its long-term viability. Adding to these troubling issues is a significant token unlock event that's looming on March 1st. Over 15 million SOL tokens, worth more than $7 billion, are set to flood the market. Imagine being an early investor. This could lead many to consider selling off their holdings, which would likely push prices down even further. Major investment firms like Galaxy and Pantera could also trigger sell-offs, compounding the situation. It's like a game of musical chairs, and when the music stops, everyone might be left scrambling. But the challenges for Solana don't stop there. The ecosystem has been hit hard by the recent fallout from meme coins. You may have heard about the infamous Libra incident, which sparked a wave of panic selling and eroded investor confidence. This kind of volatility is never good, especially for a platform like Solana, which is trying to establish itself among titans like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And speaking of which, Solana has been lagging behind these giants, with stablecoins exiting its ecosystem at alarming rates. To put it into perspective, if a boat is taking on water, the last thing you want is for more holes to appear. Now let's pivot to the futures trading side of things. SOL futures open interest has dropped by 2.5%, with long positions being liquidated en masse. This creates a vicious cycle where selling pressure drives prices down further, which in turn leads to more liquidations. It's a tough spot for investors and traders alike. So, what does this all mean for Solana's future? Should you be worried? While the immediate outlook may seem grim, it's important to remember that downturns in the crypto world often prove to be temporary. History has shown us that cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, but they can bounce back in remarkable ways. Solana is still a top blockchain platform, with ongoing developer activity and new projects constantly being launched. In fact, many seasoned investors see this dip as an opportunity to accumulate at lower prices. It's akin to finding a hidden gem in a yard sale. You know the value will be recognized eventually. In conclusion, while Solana is currently facing a confluence of struggles, decreased network activity, impending token unlocks, the fallout from meme coins, and major sell-offs, its potential for recovery remains strong. So what can you do? Stay informed, manage your risks wisely, and do your research thoroughly before diving back in. Reflect on this. Are you willing to hold through the storm, or do you see this as a good time to reassess your strategy? The road ahead might be rocky, but remember, Solana has weathered storms before, and it's definitely not going anywhere. Join us next time as we continue to explore the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency. Until then, happy investing.